Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Settings Network and Internet and make sure your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. This lets Windows see networks. Once done, restart the router and your PC, power off, wait 30 seconds, then power on, because routers often clear transient issues after a hard reboot. While they come back up, disconnect other wireless devices to reduce interference so you get a clean test. These initial steps remove most simple faults quickly and set you up for the next adjustments. Now diagnose and reset. Run the Windows Network Troubleshooter to let the system detect common problems automatically. It often fixes DNS or gateway misconfigurations. If that fails, forget the target network and rejoin. This clears corrupted credentials and renegotiates security. Then open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/release, followed by ipconfig/renew to get a fresh IP lease. You can also run ipconfig/flushdons to clear stale DNS entries. These steps reinitialize the connection stack and usually restore. Finish by checking drivers and power settings. Open Device Manager and update the Wi-Fi adapter driver because outdated drivers cause instability. If automatic update fails, download the vendor driver. Make sure power management won't suspend the adapter. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device. Once done, restart Windows and test the connection. If problems persist, try a USB Wi-Fi dongle or your phone's hotspot to isolate hardware versus
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.